everyone, welcome back to Date That Matters. Today, we are focusing on a significant day in Indian history, National Solidarity Day, celebrated every year on 20th October. National Solidarity Day marks the anniversary of 20th October 1962, when India faced an unexpected attack from China during the Indo-China War. Though India was militarily defeated, the nation stood united in spirit. This day reminds us of the power of solidarity, how India, despite adversity, remained united in condemning the aggression and supporting its defense efforts. Post-independence, India aimed to maintain a peaceful relationship with China, and in 1954, the two nations agreed on the 5 principles of peaceful coexistence. However, tensions rose after China's invasion of Tibet in 1951 and escalated when Dalai Lama was granted asylum in India in 1959. China, perceiving threats to its control over Tibet, launched a surprise attack on 20th October 1962 in Aksai Chin and NEFA. Though the war ended with a Chinese ceasefire on 21st November 1962, India emerged with a stronger sense of national unity and resilience. National Solidarity Day is not just about remembering the past, but also about reflecting on our progress. It urges us to strengthen our nation's defense and capabilities while fostering unity across India's diverse communities. This day is a reminder that India's strength lies in its unity, our ability to stand together, even in the face of adversity. The theme for 2024 is Unity in Diversity, Strengthening National Bond. The goal is to remind every Indian of their role in maintaining national unity and ensuring that our country remains strong, secure, and prosperous. It's a time for introspection on how far we've come and how we can continue to protect our borders and preserve our democratic values. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Date That Matters. Let's keep the spirit of unity alive. See you next time.